Hello there. Hope all are doing good and having a good time. Welcome back to my channel Basic Learning with SS. In this video, we are going to discuss what does punctuation mean. As we will discuss the use of punctuation marks, but before that, we should know what does it mean. Let's get started. Punctuation is derived from Latin word punctum, a point. Punctuation means the right use of putting in points or stops in writing. For example, slow people are working. In this sentence, we are not getting the exact idea. But if we place comma after slow comma people are working, then the reader can get the exact idea that it is a command to get slow because people are working. In short, punctuation acts as a traffic signals of language and guide readers the flow of ideas. Following are the punctuation marks: full stop, comma, semicolon, colon, question mark, exclamation mark. Other punctuation marks in common use are the dash, parentheses, inverted commas, or quotation mark. Do comment below if you have any query and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.